I tore up the couch, I searched through the sheets, checked under the door and the kitchen sink. TV stuck on the shopping show. I just wanna watch my game, but Lord, I don't know. Every button, every screen, but it ain't the same. If you know what I mean, I lost my remote control. Can't change the channel, can't change my soul. I'm stuck here watching reruns all night long. Lord, I need my remote control. I beg my kids, y'all better fess up. Said, Daddy, it's gone. We don't know what's up. But I found the popcorn and a slice of toast. Still no sign of the thing I need the most. Every cushion, every chair, I even checked the fridge, but it ain't in there. I lost my remote control. TV is laughing, it's taking its toll. I'm stuck on soap operas. Lord, I'm losing hope. Somebody bring me my remote control. Oh, late in the midnight hour, I'm still searching, getting sour. God, turn it around, give me power to find my remote control. I lost my remote control. I'm stuck on Teletubbies. Lord, save my soul. I don't need money, don't need gold. Just give me back my remote control. Check the